Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I am so excited because I get to unbox my mirror that I've been waiting on forever. So here it is, the Hollywood makeup mirror. And I don't know about you girls that use like a makeup table or a vanity area. I have a vanity area with a mirror and an LED mirror, but it's just not enough. And when I saw Kate Small Things blog post on Instagram, the mirror, I was like, oh my God, I need that mirror. It's so freaking cute. So here it is, and we're ready to unbox. So let's get ready to see what it actually looks like. You might need some scissors because this is a heavy duty box. And by the way, this is how Amazon shipped it to me. In the actual mirror box, not a double box. So that's kind of weird, don't you think? So here we go, unboxing. I mean, there's some heavy duty tape on here, but I don't know about you, but I have horrible lighting in the area that I do my makeup. And you know how that is when you're trying to put on makeup and you can't see a thing, or you think you got it all down and you go get in your car to leave and you see that you forgot to rub some foundation somewhere. That happens to me all the time. But not now with this new mirror. So, long await, we shall see. We got double styrofoam. That's a good thing that I'm seeing now because this is supposed to have LED bulbs. It's kind of tight. It says that it's got 9 bulbs, free compact magnifier, a user guide, and it's made in China. What is it? All right, I finally got it out. That was my workout for the day. All right, one top off. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? There goes the magnifier. All right, so let me take off the plastic wrap. And so you can see that it's got bulbs all the way around. It's on a metal frame. And it can flip. So freaking cool. And it looks like it has the 3 buttons on there. It has a cord, a little wipey thing, and like I just showed you a second ago, the magnifying glass. This is for when you're trying to get all those nasty blackheads, little hairs you don't want on your face. Okay. So, it looks like it just comes with this one cord that has just a little cable and a regular plug. Let's see. We're gonna undo this twist tie so that I can plug it in and show you how bright it is. So you plug it in like so. and gonna find me a plugger. All right, I finally plugged it in, and so let's see. Whoa, that is freaking bright. Let's see what this does. The P, I don't know what the P does. Let's see what the M. So it looks like it's different colors for the M. And I have no idea what the P does. Let's find out what the P does. User manual. Let's find out what that P does. The P button to adjust brightness. The M button to change the light color. And the power center to turn on the light, obviously. And as you can see here, here is the manual. It gives you instructions on how to use your new mirror. And I think that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want to see more like them, just hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, and I'll see you soon. Bye.